My name is Matthew Bartlett, and I am 28 years old.
Yesterday, Bartlett was the first in line to get a ticket for the trial. He says he believes Casey is innocent, but that's not all he says.
What do you think you're going to get out of the courtroom?
Camera time.
I only have a Westlaw site, 2009 WL 298.
Who were you extending the finger to, sir?
Mr. Ashton.
Who were you extending the finger to, sir?
Mr. Ashton.
You recognize the individual contained therein on that photograph, sir?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and who is it?
This is me.
Okay. And what is that symbol that you are projecting with your fingers?
Using my middle finger. And
who were you extending the finger to, sir?
Mr. Ashton.